Have you ever sat in front of an exam or tried to say something important and suddenly your mind just goes blank? No thoughts, no words, nothing. It's frustrating, right? But what's really going on inside your brain at that moment? Today, we'll uncover the surprising science behind this everyday mystery, mind blanking. Mind blanking isn't just forgetfulness. It's a real mental state where your brain stops producing conscious thoughts. Not daydreaming, not distraction, just nothing. Scientists call this a blank mind moment. And guess what? It happens to almost everyone, especially when you're tired, stressed, or overthinking. A group of neuroscientists studied this by scanning people's brains while they reported they were thinking of nothing. What they found was shocking. During a mind blank, parts of your brain actually slow down, just like in sleep. Your frontal lobe, which helps with thinking and planning, goes quiet. Your memory center, the hippocampus, also switches off. Even your heart rate and pupil size drop, like you're drifting into a mini power nap, but with your eyes open. Researchers call this local sleep. It's like your brain is awake, but some parts have taken a break. It can happen after long study sessions, intense exercise, or even emotional stress. And yes, it happens more in people with anxiety or ADHD. So next time your mind goes blank, don't panic. It's not a glitch. It's your brain's way of saying, I need a break. These little moments are actually helping your brain reset. And now that you know what's happening inside your head, you can take that pause, breathe, and bounce back smarter.